guys, I am Ariana. I'm a new YouTuber, and this is my brother.
Hi.
This is my little sister.
Hi, amigos.
And my older brother is actually on vacation with one of my best friends. So yeah.
He's at Pigeon Forge.
You don't have to give the information.
Don't judge me.
She's annoying. Okay, we're gonna have a fidget spinner contest. I stopped it on accident. We're gonna have a fidget spinner contest. And it's going to be against which one are you using, the makeup flag or that one? Okay, well, let me put this on first.
Are we doing this or on our hands?
We're doing it on our hands and trying to do it on our face.
But if it falls off, do
And I'm probably going to try it on my toe. Sorry, don't do that.
I was like,
I'm sorry, my family's crazy.
Hey guys, I want to show you something.
What?
Okay, look, here's my one I'm using, but look, I got an American flag one too.
Where's your other one? One, just to show.
I got two more.
My lighting is bad because I don't have two lights in there, and I have a lamp. And I'll be showing you some cool stuff you can do with your Musical.ly, if you have it, or any YouTube. No, that sounds stupid. But I can, yeah. Zachary, are you okay?
I didn't even fall. SpongeBob's and
Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I'm not really back. I just put it in place. Now we're gonna have a fidget spinner contest. Oh my gosh, it's so bright.
You guys probably like mine better. It's a ninja.
Mine's green.
Yeah, but yours goes in the dark and mine don't.
Man, I wish you guys. I wish you
Comment
guys
down below if you like mine better.
Comment down below if you like mine better. Okay, so
Come on, people. Mine's better.
wait, my hair's poofy. Okay, well, okay, so we are going to be having a fidget spinning contest, and we're going to start it right now. Boosh! Okay, so let's go, Zachary. Ready? One, wait, we will have to do one finger, and you know,
Pinky too.
no, not pinky. I only tried pinky once, I almost dropped it and broke it. Hallelujah. Ready?
That's my pinky, guys.
Hey,
That's
stop,
how good I
Zachary.
am.
We're going to do it now. 1, 2, 3, go. You can hit it more than once.
Okay, now stop. We gotta hit it.
You just hit mine.
Once. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do it normal this time, guys.
Don't copy me. You would make a perfect girl. Can I put makeup on you?
No.
Comment down below if you want me to put makeup on him.
And also comment down below if you want me to go get my hammer and hit her. I hate her sometimes.
Sorry about my voice. It's like a little weird.
Yeah, she's gonna lose, guys. Look at mine.
Oh, shut up.
Look at her little chicken balk.
I lose because I stopped it. Okay, so
Okay.
that's it for the fidget spinners. And next we are going to do.
Use place.
Ba-ba-da-ba. Oh, my brother's being a little snot bugger, so I guess I can't get his phone, but I'll still show you the cool tricks. First, I have to take my thing off. Thing. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. My face looks a little out of place though. Okay, well, if you don't know how to do this and you want to do this, then there's this like musical thing that's super cool. It's super cool, and oh my gosh, I only have 2 more minutes left. It's super cool, and I will show you probably on the next episode. My hair's so booty. But anyways, okay, so. Well, where did the... I scratched her. My little sister scratches up everything.
Hey, I didn't do it. She's lying, guys. Don't listen to her. She always lies like that.
Not your words. Where the heck did the glue go? Where's the glue? So on the next video, we're gonna do this like cool musically with little glue, and in the future, we're probably gonna put makeup on my little brother. But anyways, I'm a new YouTuber, and I know this is a short video, but I'm trying, and I'm not ending it yet. But just a little.
Can I use some of your blush? I already have my brush.
Okay.
Can I use some of your blush? I already have the brush.
Go ahead. I'll probably give you a room tutorial when my room's clean, of course. Because right now it looks like a dump. So, my hair's poofy.
Thanks, Anna.
Feels so weird. Okay, well, I'm going to stop leaning because that's a little hard for me. And I'm just going to put it right here where Alexa's American Dolls. So, that's a little in the way.
I'll close the door.
So, I don't look. So, yeah. I'm supposed to get my hoverboard in a few days. I was supposed to get it the 18th, but they didn't come the 18th because, yeah, we were busy that day and we went places. So, yeah.
Too many places.
Yeah, we had to visit Ariana. So, bye.
Love
Oh,
you.
and make sure to follow me on Musical.ly.